Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Fitbit Instant Fix step by step clearly. To reset your Fitbit, start by identifying your device model. For most Fitbit models, press and hold the button on the side of the device. Keep holding the button until you see the Fitbit logo on the screen. Release the button once the logo appears. If you have a Versa, hold down the left and bottom right buttons simultaneously. Continue holding them until you see the Fitbit logo. For the Inspire or Inspire HR, press and hold the side button for about 5 seconds. You'll notice the screen will fade and then the logo will appear. If you're using a charge, press and hold the side button for 10 seconds. Release it when the charge logo appears. For the Sense, press the button on the side and hold it for about 10 seconds. Wait for the Fitbit logo to show up before releasing. Remember, resetting your Fitbit will not erase your data. Once your device restarts, it should function normally. If you're still having issues, consider a factory reset in the settings. Refer to your specific model's manual for detailed instructions on factory resets. Your Fitbit should now be refreshed and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.